Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate social media ads with AdEspresso, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, visit the AdEspresso website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Campaign button to begin a new project. Select the type of ad campaign you want to automate, such as Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads. Choose your campaign objective based on your marketing goals. Next, define your target audience by using the audience targeting options provided. Specify your budget and schedule for the campaign. Once your budget is set, select the ad formats you want to use. AdEspresso offers various templates to help you design your ads easily. Customize your ad creative by uploading images, videos, and writing engaging copy. Use the A/B testing feature to create multiple versions of your ads for optimization. Review the ad previews to ensure everything looks perfect. After you are satisfied with your ads, proceed to the settings. Set up conversion tracking by integrating your website or app analytics. Connect your social media accounts to AdEspresso for seamless automation. Schedule your ads to go live based on the timing that best suits your audience. Finally, click the Launch button to start your automated ad campaign. Monitor your campaign's performance through the dashboard to make adjustments as needed. With these steps, you are now ready to automate your social media ads using AdEspresso. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.